Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to cancel everlast subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel subscription, follow me in this video. When you log in with your accounts, friends, you don't find any option directly to cancel. So all you have to do, go to this URL support ticket. From the support submit a ticket, write your email request, choose your type of request. For example, I am an X number from here, and then choose contact reason, click general, choose the club if you have any club. From here, choose your phone number. From the description, write this description, for example, hello there. So write, I want to cancel my subscription, as you can see here. Fill your all details, friends. After that, click your clubs here and the reason of contact. From here, choose any reason. So friends, and then click I am a member, write your name and request. After that, choose a submit. From here, I am not a robot, and then click submit. So then you will team look for your ticket here, and then you will receive a ticket from your email address to cancellation process. So this is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.